All right, guys, today we are gonna have some fun, and I brought along
the wifey,
and we're gonna look at some vans, because you know that I love vans so much. Like this Nissan Envy van, boy, the things I could do to this thing. How does the wife feel about vans?
I don't think I should say. I'm not digging them at all.
I mean, she likes my van, but only because she doesn't have to drive my van, like, ever. Or once in a while she does. But some of these definitely do get huge, like this Transit here. This is going to be the 350 HD with the dually rear wheel set up. And somebody did some fun stuff with that, so I like more along the lines of this. Now this is a mid-roof Transit, still a 350, but it's still, maybe it's too big. I don't know. Is it ginormous?
Yeah, I can't. It is huge.
All right, well, we're gonna drive this thing.
Babe, this is literally like a bus, a small school bus.
Yes.
We don't even have that many children. We have a lot of children, but we don't have this many
Maybe
children.
we need more children then. All right, so let's see so this is so let's just go look at this one. All right, guys, so we are looking at the lengthwise compared to this Chevy Express that we already have. That's a 155-inch wheelbase GMC or Express, so you can see they're about equal up front. Now let's take a look in the back. So it's actually a little bit shorter than it, and I think that this is a 148-inch wheelbase Ford. But you can see it's definitely coming in just a little bit shorter than that 155-inch wheelbase Chevy. But now with the mid-roof, you can see that's going to be the big difference. Is going to have that extra height inside, so let's jump in there and see if that's worth it or not. All right, first impression of the inside.
It's ginormous.
But can you stand up?
All right, so then you should be able to stand to put kids in the car, which you can. These seats are horrible. Like, you have to be 100 pounds or less to fit in them, though. I guess this one's just smaller. These ones are, but I mean, it's definitely roomy where you can stand and get the kids in nicely, but I feel like I'm driving like a tour bus.
All right, so let's go see how the tour bus drives. All right,
That's
so
gotta be a handful.
First time driving a Transit. This is where we're gonna get to see.
Great.
With boots. This is the ultimate mom test right here.
I know, but I would have taken my shoes off to drive.
Oh, you should have planned.
Well, I didn't know
You know you're gonna get thrown in the hot seat.
Somebody back on the freeway?
Yeah.
Yes, this left lane.
So what do you think?
It's definitely a lot easier than your van. And I can actually see.
What's your van?
He has a Chevy
Express.
Oh yeah.
But it's hard to drive his because, well, for one, it's lifted. Or like, what would you call that?
Yeah, it's lifted.
And it's just hard to like see. Like this, I feel like the windows are so big on the side.
Yeah.
But I feel like I can't see in that van at all.
Is this one replacing that one? Are you gonna flip it or
No, he would want another van.
another van?
Because he needs more vehicles in his life. Am I getting off here or go?
No.
You can stay in this lane or scoot over.
Get over.
one and then we're
Yeah,
good.
so we'll go. All right, first test. This is like the school parking lot drop off, you know, and you gotta like pull out. Can you make a U-turn in it? And
Not making a uni, buddy.
Nice.
no
did it.
problem. No problem at all. All right, so here's what I think. Definitely this back seat, this back row would have to go. So then we're dealing with 3 rows of seats, and you know that I like to get crazy in these things. I do like that even me, I can pretty much stand up in here, even though the baby's in a car seat. The other kids could definitely cruise around. Lots of room. All right, let's check out another van. All right, so we are at van 2, guys. This is gonna be the same van, but this is the normal roof van. So
So con of this one is how the doors open out.
So you like the sliding door better?
Yeah, because when you have children, so now you are worried that they're going to bonk the other car, and then this is going to fall onto them as they're trying to get into the car. So you're now having to hold the door for the kids, as opposed with the slider, they can just get in themselves to get in the car.
So then overall, getting into this thing for the first time, what did you think as far as, like, do you like first impression on the normal roof versus the...
It's way harder to get into this one, and this area is really tight, so squeezing in there to get to the back is definitely not as nice.
But then if we were to just take a step back and look at it from its overall appearance, do you feel that you like the look of the normal roof?
The look is better because it doesn't look so much like a bus.
Because now this is the same size van, same length, but now just in overall appearance, you feel like it looks like it's a smaller van.
Yeah, it doesn't have the huge...
It doesn't have the mid-roof on it.
Yeah, so it looks normal.
So it feels like it's a normal, but yet it's the same size. It's just taller, which, not a big deal. All right, guys, so here it is. We ended up finding a 2018 Transit at a really good price. It has around 50,000 miles on it, which is not that much because we know that these Ford Transits will go a lot of miles. So pretty cool. She's just cold. We're ready to go eat. It's been a long day. As you can tell now, it is dark outside and it was light when we got here. So we'll have a ton more coming on this fun new build here. And from the guys at Kearney Mesa Ford took care of us. So that's it for today. Let's go get some food. All right, so let's try to do this, guys. A little update is last night we were at the dealership super late, so we couldn't show the kids the fun new van. So today we are going to show them, see their reaction, and have some fun.
No way. No way.
What is it?
It's a transit!
What do you mean it's a Transit?
It's a Ford Econoline Transit. Whoa. Ow. What? Oh, you want to listen to your car? Your car. You want to see your car?
What do you think, Kai? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you think, Caden?
I'm happy.
Is this gonna be fun? We're gonna have to build it? So what do you think? What would be the first thing you'd want to do to this?
We know I love putting method wheels. The golden or the black method wheels.
I don't think we're gonna be able to put gold wheels on here. I think we're gonna have to go with black for Mom. Black wheels, Mom?
No golden wheels.
See?
She doesn't even like the blue rims that we
No,
had
she
on
didn't.
the Ford van.
No. You like it, Kai?
Yeah.
Kai's so excited. Yay, Kai. That's gonna be your seat right there, Kai.
Mom,
Yay. All right, there it is, guys. This is gonna be a fun new build. Me and Mom together, building this mom van out, see if we can make it cool.
is it a mom van?
Say see you later.
Bye.
Bye.